This question says, approximate 24.549 to the nearest whole number, tenth, and hundredth. Solution. Now, the first step is to always keep the required amount of digits. And then to the next digit, you then know whether you round up or round down. So let's solve. A. We are approximating 24.549. And since we are approximating to the nearest whole number, it means we are only going to consider the digits before the decimal point. So every other thing after the decimal point are the unwanted digits, which we will either round up or round down. So to approximate this, it means we have to have 24. Then we check the next digit and then see whether we round up or round down. So the digit of concern here is digit 4. So we would have 2. Now, note that 4 is the one before the decimal point. That is why it is our rounding place. So the next digit to it is 5. And recall that when you have 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you round up, which means you increase your last digit by 1. So since it is a 5, we round up and increase 4 by 1 to become 25. And this is to nearest whole number. Always write the degree of accuracy that you have approximated to. So B, we have 24.549 being approximated to the nearest tenth. Now that means that the digit required is up to the digit in the place value known as tenth. And the digit in that place value is 5. Note that tenth is a place value that is immediately after the decimal point. So that is digit 5. And next to digit 5, we have 4, which implies that we will round down. So that is every other digit becomes 0. So we keep only the required amount of digits, which is 24.5. So all the unwanted digits become 0. So we have 0, 0. And this is the same thing as just having 24.5. Remember that when you have zeros after the decimal point, you can do away with them. So remember to put the degree of accuracy. So to nearest tenth. Now C. We are still approximating 24.549. But this time to the nearest hundredth. And the digit in that place value is digit 4. And next to it is a 9, which implies that we'll round off. That is, round up, which means we increase the last digit by 1. That is, increase digit 4 by 1. So we would have 24.5. When we increase 4 by 1, we get 5. And this is to nearest hundredth. I hope by now you know how to approximate carefully. Thank you.